Yeah man, adventure time indeed. Yeah man, we just there want to go roast up a breadfruit, you know. I'm just saying. I'm just showing you what I go on. Alright, so I have a little jerk pan here, so but presently I use it for roast a breadfruit, you know. So I see breadfruit nearly turned for me or nearly ripe up for me, so I have to deal with it fast. Alright. So we have matches here. Light up this, so sprinkle little kerosene oil on it. Alright. So we can get the flame right. Alright, proceed for light, you know. Come on, so when the fire catch up and ready, show you when we have put on the breadfruit. I put on the breadfruit, you know. Yeah man, so now you burn up yourself, so I have a rag here, so and I hope you do the same so you can turn the breadfruit. Alright? And I will put it on now up on the fire because the fire ready. Yeah man, balance it. Yeah man, I get burned there a while ago. And that will take time and steam. And when you feel so that side they're ready now, turn it on the other side because what you want is to get all of the side dark. Not burn up, you know. Not burn up. You want all of the side them for roast. Alright, so I first part this. You're going to see the process. Alright? Remember to like, share and subscribe, you know. Yeah man, you can't see me behind the smoke, but like, share and subscribe. Alright? So, I'm going to turn the breadfruit here now, you know. So people, watch the process. Alright, so you use a rag, you know. You don't want to burn up yourself. And you're going to roll the breadfruit. Alright? You're going to roll it on the fire. And you don't want to burn up yourself. So you take time and roll it. Alright? So I just roll it there. Turn that, you know. Smoke there and box me down. Yeah, but that type thing. See there? Smoke a box me down. Yeah, but that type process. You know? Roast breadfruit, and that's the end result that I want.